Are you looking for some beautiful music that creates deep emotion? Let's check out some simple 3-note patterns from this famous piece. Hi there, I'm Kylie, and we love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here at our music studios. I had a 7-year-old ask to learn Moonlight Sonata this week, so I'll share how we divided the first section into 3 layers. You can see on the music this layer of 3-note patterns, the bass line, and the upper melody line that comes in here. You may like to play along with one of these layers in our final performance. I'll drop in a timeline, or you can play all the layers together. So let's begin with the famous opening right hand. Just double check that your thumb is lifting and stroking and dropping like the other fingers as we play, not pulling the wrist down. This group is over a black, black and white key, and play it 4 times and then an extra 4 times. Ready, set, go. Now let's step through how these notes change. Step your thumb up to this white key and play it 2 times. Ready, set, go. Now keep your thumb on the same note, but step out your top fingers to the higher white and black keys for 2 times through. Ready, set, go. Step your thumb down and onto the black key. Step to the white key in the middle and keep your pinky at the top for 1 time only. Ready, set, go. Then return to our very first pattern of black, black and white for 1 time only. Ready, set, go. Step down the top black key for 1 time only. Ready, set, go. Step the thumb to the lower black key, middle note down to the white key, and keep the same top black key for 1 time through. Ready, set, go. Then move the group lower to this white, black and black key. Play this pattern once. Ready, set, go. Then return to our opening 3 notes and play this pattern 3 times. Ready, set, go. Let's watch that whole first introduction part together to have a practice. And if you want to rewatch and do it all again, then do that now. Ready, set, go. That concludes the introduction part. These are the next 6 groupings to learn for when the melody layer starts. We have a wide stretch, keeping our thumb on the same note, but step up both fingers to the top black keys and play 4 times. Ready, set, go. Return to our very first pattern and play twice. Ready, set, go. Next, keep the middle note the same, but we can step the bottom black key up to a white and the top white key opens out to the black. Ready, set, go. This next pattern steps everything down. So the white, black, black becomes down and in to the black, black and white. Remember this as a start, as we'll come back to it and play it twice. Ready, set, go. Then keeping the middle note the same, we step up to a white and step down to a black and play twice. Ready, set, go. Then we return back out to the star notes that we just played. The thumb steps back down to the black key and our top note steps back up to the white key. Play this group 4 times. Ready, set, go. So let's run those 6 patterns now to be able to accompany our opening Moonlight melody. Ready, set, play. Before we go on to check out the bass and melody lines, I'd love for you to subscribe if you're enjoying the content here at Teach the Love of Music, and a thumbs up is the best compliment you can give. Okay, on to the notes of our bass layer now. I'll play the lowest note on the sheet music as this will still give our effect, but if you'd like to play the octaves as written, then go for it. The first black key we hold for a slow 4, then we step down to this white, which holds for 4 counts. Step down to the white beside it for 2 counts. Skip down to the low black for 2 holds, up to the middle black key for 2 holds, same note again for 2 holds, then up to our starting note for 4 holds. Ready, set, play. This next low part we might add some words to help us to keep our rhythm if we're looking at adding all our parts together later. You can use any words that help you to remember the changes. Otherwise, we could use some phrases that I've taken from an old letter by Beethoven to his immortal beloved, which I thought were a bit cute. Okay, and play the bass with Ever Thine. Now let's learn our very last layer being our melody. Ready, set, play. If you want to play the middle and top layers together, then just remember to be gentle with your hand and don't practice these for too long. Watch that the notes play together, follow with the 2 middle notes, then slip in the last melody note before lifting the wrist and dropping down onto the next group. Ready, set, go. Well, thanks so much for watching. I've been recovering from an arm injury for almost 2 months now, and as I've been seeing you watching and subscribing, and as my family have seen that, they keep saying, "Mum, Mum, you better hurry up and make another video." So I really appreciate you joining me as we share some tips and tricks. Please like and subscribe, and thanks